Hi, today I'll show you how to get this amazing live TV and live sports app to your Fire Stick in 2026. The whole process will be pretty easy and will take you only a couple of minutes. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get that amazing app to your device. And firstly, you'll have to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. To do that, we have to go and open the search bar and start entering Downloader in here. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Just click on it, and here is the app, which you need to get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. So now, in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll need to go to the settings. So let's do that together. Click that button with a gear icon, scroll down, and open My Fire TV. And now from here, you have to turn on the developer options on your Fire Stick. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Amazon Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and from here, what you have to do is just locate Downloader, here it is, and turn that option on. So what it does, it's gonna allow you to install other applications from the internet, and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So let's go back to a list of apps on the Fire Stick. Here it is, open it, and there's the Downloader, which we just got. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing, which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Iceland right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we just go back to a list of apps on your device, open it, and head to Downloader now. And here in the app, you just have to enter a code. So the code will be 2155390. Again, 2155390. That's the code you have to enter. And then just click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more content about Fire Sticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually it does not take long, but of course it all depends on the connection speed. Then just click install, and wait until the installation process is fully finished. After that, do not click open yet. Instead, it's better to press done because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, which you don't need anymore on your FireStick device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on the FireStick. And now let's go back to a list of apps on your device. There it is. Let's open it up. And now here at the bottom, you'll find this new application. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the Options button on your remote. That's the button with three horizontal lines. Click on it and then press on Move to Front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore, it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And then you can go and open this app finally. And now in here, you get access to loads of amazing live TV and live sports events. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube does not allow me to show you the exact channels, events, or live TV channels that are available in here. But in your case, of course, it's not gonna be blurred. So enjoy it all and see you next time. Bye bye.